Hello friends, in the previous video we study about Dobereiner trade. Though Dobereiner tried classify elements, his work encouraged to the scientist to classify elements in a better way. One such scientist was Newland. Newland correlated the atomic masses of element to their properties in different way. Newland arranged the elements known at that time. At that time, 56 elements are get searched. He arranged an increasing order of their atomic masses and tried to classify. He started the classification with lightest element, that is hydrogen, and ended the classification with thorium. Newland compared this similarity with the octave in the music. You know, in Indian music system, there are 7 main notes that are sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. And this collection is called saptak. The frequency of notes goes on increasing from sa to ni. Then comes the sa of upper saptak at the double the frequency of original sa. It means that note repeat after completion of one saptak. The Western music note also do, re, mi, fa, sa, la, ti. Newlands found that every 8 element in the classification had properties similar to those of the first element and state the law of octave. So, what is law of octave? Newland's law of octave. Newland arranged the elements in an increasing order of their atomic masses. Then every eighth element had properties similar to those of the first. You write this law in your notebook also. So, for explaining this law, he gave the classification in table. So observe the table number 2.2 in our textbook, that is Newland's octave. In that table, you can see at the upper part of the table having musical notes, that is sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. In the lower sides there are elements. So according to law that Newlands found that every eighth element had properties similar to those of the first. For example, you can see that the sodium, that is the first, that is the eighth element from the lithium, and both have similar properties. What are that similar properties? That lithium and sodium are metals and also readily react with water to form alkali and hydrogen gas. You can also observe that is the next to sodium, the eighth element is potassium. All threes are metals and also react with the water to form alkali and the hydrogen gas. And also you click that lithium, sodium and potassium is the Dobereiner trade. Then the second example. In the second example, magnesium shows similarity with beryllium. So magnesium is the eighth element from the beryllium. What is the similarity in the beryllium and magnesium? And also you can observe below that the magnesium there is a calcium, that is beryllium, magnesium and calcium is also the trade. So all these beryllium, magnesium, calcium all are shiny, and also silver, white. So Next example, that is the chlorine shows similarity with the fluorine, and that is the halogens. So that Newland's octave laws it get explained by this table, but you can see that on one hand this law say to temporarily solve the problem of the classification, but it is not perfect. So that is obey this law up to the calcium. So there are some limitations of the Newland's octave. So what are the limitations of the Newland's octave? See the first limitation. Newland fitted all 56 known elements in the table, but this law was found to be applicable only up to calcium. This is the first limitation. Then second limitation, Newland placed two elements in same boxes to accommodate with all known elements. You can see in the table also, that is below the chlorine you can see the CO and Ni, and also that is below the Y there is Ce and La. So in the second limitation you can see that the two elements in some boxes to accommodate with all the known elements. Then the third limitation, he placed some elements with different properties under the same node. What is that same node? See here, that is CO and Ni are the metals, but placed with halogen, that is fluorine and chlorine under same node, that is Sa. Then next, that is Fe, that is the iron, similar to the properties with cobalt and nickel, that is iron is also the metal, cobalt and nickel is also the metal, but it is placed away from the metals with the non-metals, that is sulfur and oxygen. So that fourth, that is the limitation, there is no provision to accommodate the newly discovered element. There is no provision to accommodate the newly discovered elements. Then that the Newland's law is get failed. So in this video we are studying the Newland's law of octave and also the examples with the help of the table. So in the homework you can write first the Newland's law of octave and then what are the limitations of the law of octaves.